She is reinstated on this live feed here.
Then they have done it. Brilliant.
Well, she was on the revised list that I have here. She was listed for this opening semi-final.
On the revises. And what happens, these athletes would have seen their heats and lanes, and she would have known for the entire day that she was listed for semi-final too.
Yeah. So everybody knew except the athletes. Not good.
Well, Tina Clayton certainly knew. She wasn't there.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so now a little more drama.
So 6 will go here now in semi-final 1 of the women's 100 meters. The new entrant is the world silver medalist, Tina Clayton. Second fastest Jamaican woman this season at 10.85. She'll be running from lane 3. So it's Lee in 2, Clayton 3, Williams in 4, Ashanti Moore in 5, Berger in 6, and Lowe, GC Foster in lane 8. Third time of asking. Semi-final 1, women's 100 meters. Set position, bang, sent off. Clayton gets out well, so too does Williams. So it's Clayton taking charge early. Lavanya Williams goes with her top 2 advance automatically. Here comes Ashanti Moore on the outside, but it's Tina Clayton who gets it from Lavanya Williams.
I think Lavanya crossed first.
Nicked her at the line, did she?
Yeah, Tina definitely eased up.
Yeah, so Lavanya Williams is declared the winner. Gets it just on the line.
Ashanti Moore in third and Low.
After all that drama, the top 2 who advance automatically, Tina Clayton and Lavanya Williams.
Oh my gosh. All right, so brilliant pop out of the blocks by Tina Clayton, lane number 3, the orange and blue, her Nike gear. Lavanya Williams, Tina Clayton that is, has already stopped running. Lavanya Williams pushing. Ashanti Moore knows that only the top 2 are guaranteed a spot. Tina Clayton, I think, being a little casual at the finish, but she does just enough to keep the top 2 spots.
Yep, just enough, because Moore was really pushing on the outside to grab one of the 2 automatic spots. And Lavanya Williams, who's having a breakout season, gets the win here in semi-final 1 of the women's 100 meters ahead of Tina Clayton, the world silver medalist from the Tokyo Championships last year. Lavanya Williams 11.19, Tina Clayton 11.23, Ashanti Moore 11.24. Waits to see if she advances. Low came through for 4th at 11.51.
Tina Clayton clearly conserving there, knowing that she has to come back in a short order for the final.